Americraft's mission statement is to serve the industrial fan and ventilation markets by providing high-quality products with excellent lead times, wonderful customer service, all while providing a safe environment for our employees.
The core values, number one is safety. We always want to make sure all of our employees are safe, everyone has the correct equipment to be able to do their job efficiently. Customer satisfaction is huge. We want to provide our customers with responsiveness, on time, as well as provide them a great quality product. In the end, that's what we're in the business of doing, is providing fans to our customers, and we want that to be the best quality fan, above industry standard as much as we can.
Everybody in the shop knows how to work in another department, so we do a whole lot of cross-training. That way, if somebody's sick, if there's an issue, we can always have that department taken care of. Our number one goal is to ship our fans to our customers on time and correct.
I think there are two things that set Americraft apart from our competition. The first is our lead times. We pride ourselves on having fast lead times without sacrificing any quality to our product. The second is that we are willing to work with the customers to personalize and customize their fans to their needs. It's a lot easier to change a fan size than it is, for example, a hole in your roof.
We have the ability to work very closely with the end user to make sure they get exactly what they think they're getting. We ship on time, and we ship when we say we're going to ship.
Our people, they are our most important asset. Without our employees, there is no Americraft. We treat everyone with respect and treat them like family.
Within Americraft, we have extreme flexibility. People inside the office are able to go outside and help in the shop, get product out wherever there's a need for that, and vice versa. Guys inside the shop can help us provide answers and questions to be able to do our job efficiently as well.
We have 250 years of combined experience. We have quite a few employees here that have over 40 years in service to Americraft. So they know every in and out. They've worked in every single department. They basically know everything there is to know about making the fans.
They are the best trainers for our younger and newer workforce, and without them, it wouldn't work.
The sales force is huge. Being a small business, we're not able to tackle and handle every customer's problems, situations, or needs. So our sales rep force is our backups, our help to be able to provide questions or answers and products to customers that we can't always be in contact with.
Sales reps are the main driving force of the name Americraft. They're out there every day selling our fans, whether it be into industrial paper buildings, steel manufacturers, agriculture. We sell to every major player in the United States as far as business goes.
With our product line, we have 5 different categories that we kind of go by. With that, there's so many subcategories that we can help that are standard, and we can also customize certain airflows, certain static pressures, certain dimensions, certain sizes, certain coatings. All of that we are capable to work with the customer and the sales reps when they're making their decision to help their customer as well. So lots of customization on top of the standard lines that we already provide.
Over the last 3 years, we've added over 10,000 square feet in manufacturing space. This has allowed us to double the size of each department as far as personnel and machinery. We've also upgraded machinery throughout the building as far as plasma cutters, welders, saws, balancers, you name it. We've been investing heavily into Americraft's future.
The future looks great. The past few years have been excellent. We continue to increase our technology and different machines around the shop, and I don't see any end in sight.
We're always looking to grow. It seems like every 3 years, we really do have to sit down and talk about, expansion, which is always a good conversation to have. We're always growing and looking for new technologies to help better our processes and efficiencies, and we just hope that continues.